Understanding away messages, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the digital world, away message. This phrase is often used in online communication, so understanding its meaning and usage can be very helpful, especially for English language learners. An away message is a type of automated message used in various online communication platforms. It's set by a user to inform others that they are not currently available to respond. Think of it as a digital version of a "Do Not Disturb" sign. This term is commonly used in email, instant messaging, and social media contexts. The concept of away messages dates back to the early days of instant messaging. Originally, it was a feature in chat applications like AOL Instant Messenger, AIM, where users could indicate they were away from their computer. Over time, the use of away messages has expanded to other platforms, adapting to new forms of online communication. In today's digital environment, away messages are used in various contexts. Email autoresponders. When you're on vacation or out of office, an away message can automatically inform those who email you. Social media. Platforms like Facebook or WhatsApp allow users to set away messages, especially useful in business accounts. Workplace communication tools. Tools like Slack have features for setting a status, indicating if you're in a meeting or out for lunch. Setting an away message is more than a convenience. It reflects an understanding of digital etiquette. It shows respect for the time and expectations of others by clearly communicating your availability. In professional settings, it's essential to keep these messages polite, concise, and informative. I hope this video helps clarify what an away message is and how it's used in our digital world. Remember, it's a simple yet effective way to manage your online presence and communications. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning journey.